Hello viewers and welcome back to my channel Lubna's Rarest. Unique animals are fascinating creatures that stand out due to their rare characteristics, behaviors or appearances. These animals often capture the imagination due to their distinct adaptations, which allow them to thrive in specific environments. From the elusive Saola, known as the ancient unicorn, to the critically endangered Vaquita porpoise. These animals highlight the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Their uniqueness can stem from evolutionary traits that have developed over the millennia, making them specifically adapted to their habitats. Protecting these extraordinary species is crucial for maintaining biodiversity and the health of ecosystem worldwide. Here are 7 of the rarest animals around the world. Number 1 on our list is Vaquita, a critically endangered marine mammal found only in the northern part of the Gulf of California, Mexico, with fewer than 10 individuals remaining. Number 2 is Javan Rhino, one of the most endangered large mammals, with only about 74 individuals left in Unga National Park in Indonesia. Number 3 one is Amur Leopard, a critically endangered big cat with an estimated population of around 100 individuals in the wild, primarily found in the Russian Far East. Number 4 on our list is Sumatran Orangutan, endangered primates found only on the Indonesian island of Sumatra, with their population estimated to be around 14,000 individuals. Number 5th one is Hawksbill Turtle, critically endangered sea turtles known for their beautifully patterned shells, found in tropical coral reefs with declining populations due to illegal trade and habitat loss. Number 6 is Northern White Rhino. Only 2 known individuals remain, both females, living under constant protections in Kenya's Vaquita Conservancy. Number 7 on our list is Saola, also known as the ancient unicorn. This exclusive and critically endangered mammal is native to the Annamite range of Vietnam and Laos, with an unknown but extremely small population. These animals are on the brink of extinction due to various factors such as habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. Conservation efforts are crucial to their survival. I hope you have liked my video, so kindly like, subscribe and share my channel. We will meet in the next video with next topic. Until then, take care and goodbye.